Hi friends and amigos, and welcome back. I'm Ashley from European Relocation Services, and today we'll be discussing some more helpful and handy hints and tips that should make your move both less stressful and a lot easier. So what are our top tips? Well, some of these I might have already mentioned before, but one good one is to remember, don't pack, this might sound stupid, the kettle until the last thing, because you're going to want a tea or a coffee or some type of hot drink on the day of the move. And we all know that the good old removal person is tea-powered. Again, that is only half joking. But now for some equally important but more serious tips. When it comes to things like your boxes, don't overpack them and that's the wrong word, and have a lid on your box. That way, things are less likely to go missing during the move. Another useful tip to remember is label your boxes if you've got glass in them. Right, fragile glass inside. The removal person will therefore know what is in the box and will know where within the stack of boxes within the vehicle the box could go. Again, that will reduce the risk of damage to the box. And another handy tip, well, I could go on for all day, I've got plenty, but let's see which one is good. Well, I mentioned about labelling the boxes, glass, fragile, but things. Have you actually packed your boxes properly? That might sound strange, but what I mean is, can the items in the box move? If they can, that's not good. Ensure the items in the box are packed in such a way that not one of the items inside can move or rub against each other. This will minimise damage. Thanks. Please pop by our website for more hints and tips, and I will provide you the link to that in the descriptions. Thank you, goodbye, and hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.